Yeah man, let's kick it off the way, you know. Pumpkin chopped up with gungo peas. Yes I, yes I. Phase 1. Outside. In the sun. Alright, these are chopped. Yeah, chopped chocho. Yeah man, them are chocho, you hear? Yeah man, see it here? I will take out the scallion straight from what? The farm, you see me? Yeah man, right here we got. We also gonna add 6 leaf of bush cabbage, straight leaf cabbage. Before cabbage was full and genetically modified. Yeah man, we're high in iron and zinc. Master God. Yeah man, see it here? The stalk of callaloo gone in a soup today. And we have picked some spinach as well. See them there? Run on the fence. Yes I. What do you man? This a soup you know normal today, you know, daddy. Don't stop, you know, because at the end of the video you will see me drinking from the calabash. Alright, see everything here together, planting, yellow yam, see seasoning them there, 2 small cucumber but give thanks, oregano or French thyme, scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, chocho, callaloo, straight leaf cabbage, and the pumpkin knife pot and the gungo. So coming up next is the coconut milk, where you juice with the beer on. Yeah, take it from top. We have the Jamaican yellow yam, we have plantain, we have straight leaf cabbage and callaloo. We have 2 types of thyme, normal thyme, French thyme, same as oregano, scotch bonnet pepper, turmeric, scallion, and garlic. Over here so we have what? Chocho and what? Cucumber. Yes, so we have what? Celtic salt. The salt we have 82 minerals in our 1 salt. Watch out now, watch out now. Watch out now, my people. See, bubble potter bubble. See it here, you know, man. Everything active, you know. Gungo and what? Pumpkin. You see me? To be continue, man. You go and see you know, this because the coconut milk coming up, you know. We are doing it in our soup today. No meat. See it here, you know. Whoa. But me need to turn on my video. Look how you come over and distract me. But saying, hold on. Me have an answer for that. You see, what me notice even about people when they are foreign, and even some Jamaican. You see, every time I'm sitting where good then talk about, yo, you're afraid callaloo, make your liver, whatever, or Cersei make your liver. And you see every day then you meat. And it's okay. Hold on, I'm not pants time yet. Ja. Whoa, hold on, let me show me. Hey, the party are red like it's sun. Ready, there's a sun food, sun. Uno see it? Uno see it? They look similar. Uno see it? Every day so we do it. Eat. Natural. Sun. Food. Sun. Food. Sun. Food. I don't talk. To be continue. Watch you play them now. Tell you know, yo unk, yes, me tell them you know.
Punk man, unk, they are no man.
What you say again?
Unk and a punk unk, they are no man. See it no man.
Yes sir.
Style.
Me tell yes, you know, all you want is 1 pot, 1 out-of-door fire, and guess what? Fellowship man. See one lady over there so want to be a part of this. Big up yourself.
Give me some.
Alright, hold on. See, same thing. Hold on, he's saying on your meat and see there. Easy, my student. Wallet. Yes, sir. What do you man? We don't eat like the cynic, you know. The dog eat and eat by themselves. We eat what? In fellowship. Daz, you want some?
Yeah, give me some. Give me my Goldie.
Our name Goldie, that thing called Calabash?
Yeah,
Lord Jesus. Alright, little more, because you not even know his name. I the plate. Watch out, look how I put it on the one day. Watch out. For daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.